Hello everyone, welcome to RPIIT Academics. My name is Alka, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Here we are going to discuss about the types of solution. Okay, in previous video we already discussed about the definition of solution and components of solution and substance which is used for making a solution. So in this video we discuss about the types of solution. So here when two substances are used for making a solution, let's suppose our solute is sugar, okay, and our solvent is water, that is H2O. Okay, when these two components are mixed to each other, then one solution is formed. That solution is called as binary solution. Okay, binary solution. Bi stands for when two components are used for making a solution. So second is when three components are used for making a solution. Our solute is sugar plus salt when dissolved in water. Water is our solvent. Okay. So these terms, when three components are used for making a solution, is known as ternary solution. Okay, ternary solution. Ter stands for 3. When 3 components are used for making a solution. Fourth one is what? When 4 components are used for making our solution. 4 components is what? When 3 solute and 1 solvent. 3 solute is what? First one is lemon, salt, sugar. When these 3 components dissolved in water, then here 4 components are used for making a solution, then it is known as quaternary solution. So these 3 solutions are the types of solution. I hope you all clear this video. If you have any query and any doubt, write in comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you.